Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make very easy and a simple baby stitch. So I'm going to crochet my first half double crochet, as you can see here, this one. Then I'm going to crochet this line here, then half double crochet, and the lines which form a wave. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Then I'm going to yarn over and make half double crochet in each of this space here. So we'll skip one of them. So make sure that you don't skip any of the loops. I've made a little bit tight because the type of yarn I'm using, it's a little bit thin than compared to the other ones. Then I'm going to chain one. You can see this is our base. To tighten this here, I already chained one. Then you're going to right here, yarn over. Now going to work in this space here and pull through. Now when you pull through, what you're going to do is this third yarn here from the hook, we have one loop, second loop, and the third loop will pull through that way. Yarn over. So from the third loop to pull through that way. Yarn over, pull through the third loop that way. See, to pull through that way. that way. Then we're going to chain 1. Then now we're going to work, instead of crocheting in this space here, we're going to crochet on top here. So we're going to make half double crochet again here, chain 1. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. We have half double crochet here and we have got the waves here. We made 3 double crochet, and counting 2 we have to pull the third one in 2 loops, then till the end. Then we're going to make half double crochet till there, then going to chain 1 at the end. Going to come again in here, I'm going to pull this third loop that way, going to pull through that way, pull through that way, See, that way. Sorry. That way. See, that way. That way. Into chain 1. So you can see we have our rows here. So we're going to make one more row of half double crochet. I'll show you how it's going to look like. So half double crochet, and chain 1. So as you can see, we have our foundation chain there of 15, and then we have half double crochet, and after that we made chain of 2 here. Then we, from here on the first stitch, we entered 3 loops, and from the 3 loops, the third one you have to pull in 2 loops. So we're going to continue that way. Then we'll come to the end, chain 1 and make half double crochets, and continue the same thing as till you get this result over here. So I hope you like my video. Till then, next time, see you. Bye bye. I hope you like, subscribe and share for people to learn. Thank you.